Alright guys, we're just gonna do a short video on the 22 long rifle caliber. As you can see, peanut butter jar filled with them. I would say about 300 or so. I had a count, but I don't really remember. Federal Lightning, 40 grain, 1240 feet per second. It is a solid round nose, however you want to put it. These were about, I think, $1.47 per 50 when I bought them. They're up to like $1.99, so people aren't really buying them anymore. However, I love them. I'm pretty much making this video because, like most of my videos, I read a lot before making them. I've seen a lot of people say, oh, they're stupid round, it's pointless, no one uses them, it couldn't kill anybody, bad for defense. I'd have to agree with a couple points saying, yeah, bad for defense, but if you get shot in the face by 2 or 3 of them, as long as you're not on drugs, you're going to stop what you're doing. So I don't understand why these people are so ignorant to say that this is a non-lethal round when it is perfectly capable for small game hunting, which thousands and thousands of people do. Let's see if I can get it off. Nope. Also, in terms of storage, I do prefer containers such as ammo cans, but for shooting you can just take a peanut butter jar out full of 22 and shoot all day. But yeah, I really haven't made a 22 video talking about the actual round. For hunting, it's perfectly capable. For defense, if it's your last ditch gun, or if that's the only option you have at the time, it will do its job. In the media, which is a I say it very loosely, that you hear about 22 shootings all the time. People die from it. It's all about shot placement. You shoot someone in the foot, not going to do too much. But within the right area, it'll work just fine, especially in a pinch. It's better than having no gun at all, that's for sure. But for the price and the availability and the wide range of guns for it, it's hard to not have a 22. I only have 3. I have a handgun and 2 long guns, 10-22 and a Henry lever action. But that's pretty much it. Just a 22 video, nothing special, kind of boring. Needed something else to quickly make a video of. 22 was my last video, so that's about it. Nice little round. And the one thing that I, and probably everyone else, like about the 22 is how quiet it is. I live near a neighborhood filled with kids always screaming, playing in the pool, doing whatever the hell kids do nowadays. I can shoot out back, which is probably about, I'd say, 900 to 1,000 yards from them, at least. I mean, it's a good distance away, but they're just between a tree line. I can shoot all day, and they're still out there playing like I'm not even there. So it's relatively quiet compared to anything else you shoot. And if you definitely want just to take out a 22, I would recommend finding an empty peanut butter jar with a wide mouth. Yep, gotta put it down again. With the ability to stick most of your hand in. At least get 3 fingers in there. I can get 4 into this particular one. Pretty sure this was a Peter Pan. But that's about it. Kind of boring, kind of stupid. Whatever. It's a video. Watch it or don't watch it. Alright, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, video response, hit the links. And that's about it.